KG Auto. I live in Brooklyn. If your car break down, you know to call. If your car break down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Yeah, KG Auto. Welcome to my YouTube channel. What do you have here is a 2017 Honda Accord 4-cylinder. I'm going to be replacing the valve cover gasket. Before I start, I'm going to borrow this quote from Marcus Aurelius. He said the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. That's for someone out there. Anyway, this is KG. If you're new to my channel, you're quite welcome. Please consider subscribing, support your boy in any way you can. We're doing this job. It's a 4-cylinder. We're replacing the valve cover gasket. I haven't said that, KG, you know my slogan. Let's go. We're getting it right now. Booyah. Yeah, please bear with me. Kind of windy here in New York City today. Anyway, so this is what we're doing. Like I said, so I've already done some soft take off the spark plug, blah blah blah. So the way to do this and do it efficiently, make sure you disconnect the battery, because this harness, they're all sitting on top of this valve cover gasket, and the harness is going all the way to the alternator. If you don't disconnect the wires, you might be lifting this up, you might have a problem. So I want to make sure I do a good job and I do it very well. So I decided to take off the wire going to the alternator, the tow cable. I take that out, disconnect this hose and all of that. So I use a bungee cord to tie this, as you guys can see. So we're clear now. So we just need to take off this 10 surrounding bolts. You know, there are about a couple of them. There are some in the back there. You know, so they are the same length. When I take it out completely, I'm gonna bring the camera and show it to you guys. KG need a video man. Anybody want to volunteer to help KG do a good video? Let me know. But KG don't have nobody to pay you. Don't go and put in an application and say, hey, KG, you said apply. Where's my money? So let me get that out of the way first. So this is what I'm using right here. There's a boat right here. I don't want to move the camera. I'm sorry. I can't do that. So this is my first time I'm doing this. That's why I'm videoing it. Anytime I haven't done something, I just like to video it so I can show the people this is what we're doing, you know. So that's what we're doing, and take off that clip right there. Yeah. So now there's no boat here, there's no boat here. Believe we should be clear right now. So let's try to pry this thing and see. Looks like there's a boat. Let's see if there's a boat here. Need my lights. Let's see. Yeah, there's a. Oh, no, it's not a boat. Nope, that is not a boat. So there's this tent here. I don't know if you go all the way down. I'm not sure, but okay. Let's not talk about that. We gotta play the wiggle game. I believe that's what it is now. Play the wiggle game, baby. It's coming, kids. Wiggle. There we go. Woohoo! Somebody give me a clap there, man. KG got it out. There we go. I was thinking if they were still near that boat, hanging, looming around there. Oh yeah. So, oh, there's this clip here now. See, there is this clip right here, holding it now. One clip right here. All right, see what is holding it now. When I take it off, I'm gonna bring you guys to do that. See if I can go in there. Squeeze that boy out. Alright. There we go. I got it. Alright, so this is what it was. So there is a clip that was going in here. So after I lift it up, this is the way it looks like. Hope the guy got the right one. So we're gonna clean up this thing now and wash it out, and we'll be ready to install. All right, KG, I just wanted to explain something here, right? This vehicle is a 2017, like I said before. You see the gasket, this, let me show you this. That's the number of the aftermarket gasket. So here's what I'm trying to show you guys. Let me pose my camera very well. Okay, you see right here, over here, you see this, the seal over here, right? And this one, they're not the same. You see? Like the 2014, I believe, you take off those two screws there, then you screw this guy in. This one is not the same. So this valve gasket, the cover, when you want to change it, I believe you have to replace the whole thing, because there is no way you can take this thing off. This is a sport, so it's not working. So what I have to do now is just change this one, because it's taken from here anyway. I can't replace this. So I just wanted to point out, if anybody want to do this, if you have a 2017, make sure you get the right part before you start changing it. If not, you're going to be stuck. This one, you can't replace it, because this guy doesn't have no screw to lose. All right? Make myself clear? All right. So we're just going to go back in there now. Sorry about the wind is really blowing today. I don't have no control of that. I control the wind not to be blowing. So if you hear the wind blowing on the video, please, I apologize for that. I can't do nothing about that. So this one is different. We're going to put this one first. I believe, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they're all 10 bolts. They're the same bolt. So any way you like, you put it, so long as you thread it with your hand. That's it. But the only one that is different is the one at the edge there. So I check inside the spark plug and there's no oil there. If not, I will have told the owner that I'm still going to tell him anyway in the future that this vehicle is different from the 2013, 14, all of that. My camera almost fall off there. I have to strap it down because the wind is really blowing. I have to put a bungee cord on this thing because sometimes that something goes up, you just close on your head. So I kind of figured out, because one day I was walking like that, this thing just went up and the next thing, the whole thing landed on my head. So now I use this bungee cord to strap it down. So even when the wind is blowing, the wind can't lift it up. So that was what I learned from one car that I was working on. So anytime the wind is blowing, I always use that. I use that trick. It worked very well. Now you protect yourself from the wind. All right, so let me tie that down, then I'll bring you guys back. KG, stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. All right, so you can do this different way with this harness. It's up to you if you want to disconnect it down here, but I just feel it's more easier for you to disconnect it in the alternator. That's what I did, and I believe that should be the easiest way to do it. Or if you like, you can disconnect it from the track. I didn't want to do all of that. So I found out that it's easy for you to disconnect it from the alternator, just right on your face there, instead of you breaking your neck and going all the way back there. So that's what I did, and that's the best way I believe to take out those harness. Anyway, we're strapping it down right now. About the block. There we go. Push back that pin there, the back there. Just like so. You guys might not see what I'm doing. So let me lose this. Take off this bungee cord now. Alright, so see, now you can just bring this over. This is why we disconnected all of that. This one goes in at the bottom like this. There's a mechanism for that. That's not just like that. So there's a bolt coming in here. Let me put this one first. So there's a bolt coming there, and this harness, now you come here like this, strap that down, then you just put this one on top of the alternator. It's just a 12 knot. Put that one right there. Then the other one is just snap on. You snap the other one. The other one you slump it right on the AC. See, those things, they're easy to get to. Then you're trying to go and disconnect something that you might end up breaking the harness. Just my opinion. If you feel like doing it the other way, go ahead, man. Suit yourself. Okay, so now we snap this guy back in here like so. There we go. So tie that tangle there. Snap this one in. That's nice. See, everything will just be on. There's nothing like you're walking. Everything is on your face. So we put the 13 up there. And strap that one down just like that. Bada boom, bada boom. We're right at the money. This one's a 12, I believe. Where's my 12 socket now? Alright, here we go. 12 socket to tie that cable down. Before you do that, make sure you disconnect the battery, please. Don't say KG didn't tell you that part. You end up blowing up yourself. Yeah, KG didn't say that. Yup, you know you must disconnect. Yeah, so this is what I was doing down here. See, I disconnected that guy. So I lose this one here because I was trying to get that pin. I just lose the 10 there. This. So this one was the other one I was telling you guys about. It's right back there, you know. So then this one is kind of, you just move it this way to take that out. So it has a lock there. So that's basically it. Now we're just gonna put back the battery and then we'll go ahead and fire this mug up. Fire it up, boy. So what I did, I tried to use my jack stand to hold my camera so that my camera don't. Cause I remember one time like that I was walking, the wind was blowing, so my camera blow and the shit just broke. So I learned my lesson. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna put this guy up here now. I'll put this guy up here, just like so. Put that baby up here. Put the boats. So there are like 5 boats. Which one here? Yeah, my chairman. Which one here? They're all 10 boats, so they're the same. You just go ahead and strap that down. And just like that, we are done. So if you're gonna be everyday mechanic, get one of these. Milwaukee. Spend your money. So this guy right here is coming here. Just pull it back like so. We'll put it back in there. Pin there. Alright, there we go. Once they're right there, then we go ahead and start this guy. That's pretty much it, you know. So that's all. Question, comment, you know what to do. KG is signing off right now. The wind is blowing, please. If you hear the wind blowing, it's something like I said I can't control. This one is going up here like so. Put that guy back there. It's just a snap on. Snap on. Let's put this guy just like this. Back here. Back here. And back here. All right, until next time, I'll see you. Peace. We out.